Learn with Zara, an educational channel.
Hi viewers, welcome back. I'm Zara, and today the topic of the video is stop using very. We will learn alternatives to use instead of very. This will be a very fun adventure, so let's get started.
Instead of very good, you can use superb. Instead of very bad, you can use awful. Instead of very big, you can use gigantic. Instead of very small, you can use tiny. Instead of very happy, you can use overjoyed. Instead of very sad, you can use heartbroken. Instead of very fast, you can use speedy. Instead of very tired, you can use exhausted. Instead of very hungry, you can use starving. Instead of very pretty, you can use stunning. Instead of very smart, you can use brilliant. Instead of very clean, you can use aesthetic. Instead of very dirty, you can use muddy. Instead of very cold, you can use freezing. Instead of very hot, you can use boiling. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye!